Hello, and welcome to the AutoPanel platform. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and set up your account. Let's get started. First, let's go to the sign-up page to create our account. Enter your business name here. Next, enter your email. Create a secure password. And confirm your password. Now, click the Create button. After that, go to your email inbox to verify your account. Once your account is created, you will be granted a free plan. This plan allows you to test our service. It comes with 10 free credits. Next, let's set up the webhook. We have generated a unique webhook link for you. Copy this link. Now, go to your WooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to Settings, then Advanced, then Webhooks. Click Add Webhook. Name the webhook AutoPanel. Set the status to Active. Set the topic to Order Created. Paste the link you copied into the delivery URL field.
Copy your token and paste it here in Secret section. Click Save Webhook.
Done. The webhook has been created successfully. Now, let's create our products in WooCommerce. We will start with a simple product. Add a title for your product. Add a description if needed. Set the price. Go to the Inventory tab and enter a unique SKU. Make sure this SKU is unique and not used for any other product. Finally, publish the product. Next, let's create a variable product, for example, a 3-month subscription. This will have variants for different numbers of connections. In the Product Data section, select Variable Product.
Keep this SKU empty as it is not needed.
Go to the Attributes tab, add a new attribute. You can name it Connections or Devices. In the Values box, enter the different connection options separated by a pipe symbol. For example, 1, pipe, 2, pipe, 4. Make sure to check Used for Variations. Click Save Attributes. Now, go to the Variations tab. Click Generate Variations. Let's expand the fields for each variation. A unique SKU is required for each variation. This is very important. Set the price for this specific variation. You can also add a description or other details. For example, we will set the price for the 4-connection variation. Repeat this process for all your variations. When you are finished, save the changes and publish the product. Great, now let's go to your AutoPanel dashboard. We need to create the exact same products here. It is critical that you use the same SKU that you created in WooCommerce. Click the plus icon to add a new product. Fill in the details matching what you have in WooCommerce. Select the number of credentials, which is the number of devices or connections for this product. If this product or variation is a trial, make sure to check the Is Trial box. Once you have filled in and verified all the fields, click the Create button. Our products are now ready. Let's verify them. Perfect. Now, let's set up our SMTP. You can use Gmail, which is our preferred and recommended choice. Click on Create and fill in the following details. The SMTP host is smtp.gmail.com. The SMTP port for Gmail is 465. For the password, do not use your main Gmail password. It will not work. You must generate a special app password from your Google account. To do this, go to your Google account settings and find the security section. Make sure that two-step verification is enabled and active. Click on two-step verification. You may need to verify your identity. Scroll down to find app passwords. Create a new app password. You can name it AutoPanel. Click Create. A 16-digit password will appear. Copy this password. Now, go back to AutoPanel and paste this app password into the SMTP mail password field. Click Test and Create. If you receive a test email, it means everything is working perfectly. As you can see, the status for our SMTP is now green and active. Let's create our email template. Put any name for your template here. For the subject line, you are free to choose anything, but we recommend a clear structure. It is required to have the credentials variable in your email template. This variable will be automatically replaced with the customer's real credentials like their M3U link or login details. Do not forget to include this variable. Note, for email reminders, the credentials variable is not needed. Once you are finished, click Create. Next, we will create our first project or server. Enter a name for your project. Select the service you are selling. We support keys, accounts, and download links. For IPTV, make sure to select the API option. For the IPTV server, select your panel from the list. If your server is not listed but supports an API, click Other and please contact our support team. In our case, we will select Strong. For the country option, choose VPN or Auto, depending on your needs. VPN is recommended. Now, get the API key from your IPTV panel. Paste the API key here. Click Load Packages. This will load the packages you have already set up in your IPTV panel. If you don't have any, you must create them in your panel first.
Choose a name for your bouquet, then select the channels and VODs, and then click Save.
As you can see, we have 2 packages loaded. Select the package. You can keep the reseller ID field empty. Here, we will start linking the products we created earlier. When you select a product, the details should fill in automatically. You can set your own host and URLs for this server. You can add more as needed, and we recommend doing so. This information will be sent to your customer's email. Once you are finished, click Create.
Scroll down to the bottom of the page, then select the email template and the SMTP email you just created.
Click Save to finish the setup. We are now done. Your server will be under review. Please contact us on WhatsApp or create a support ticket from your AutoPanel dashboard. Once our team reviews and enables your server, you can start automating your orders. After your server is activated, you can start accepting orders and enjoy the automation. Let's run a test order. For an order to be sent to AutoPanel, its status must be processing. We will fill in the details just like a real order with a customer name, email, and selecting the 1-month product. Now, let's change the order status to processing. This will send the order to AutoPanel. Let's check the My Orders page in AutoPanel. Here it is. The order was processed instantly. An email has been sent using the SMTP and template we set up. The email contains all the details sent in a professional format. It includes the new credentials generated automatically from the Strong API. You can also see the analytics for your orders and earnings. You can filter your analytics by new or renewed orders.
Stock management or inventory. Sometimes your API provider might not support creating trials or not have an API. With this feature, you can manually create subscriptions and add them to your stock. You simply add the credentials here and assign them to the correct product. In our case, we will use a 1-month subscription only to show how that works. You also set the expiration date for each credential. After that, when an order for that product is received, our system will automatically take one from the stock. This is perfect for servers that don't have an official API or don't support trials via API. The system will not use or send any credentials that have passed their expiration date.
We have another great feature called manual delivery. This is perfect if you sell on social media like WhatsApp, or if you don't have a website. It allows you to create and send credentials directly from the AutoPanel dashboard. This is a manual way to process an order. For example, let's try to send a new subscription to a customer. We will fill in their details like name, phone, the server, and the product. You can choose whether this is a new or renew order. This is useful for customers who are renewing an expired subscription. You can also add a private note to remember this client. This note is only for you. Once you click Send, the system will deliver the credentials instantly to the customer's inbox. This is perfect for fast, manual delivery. You can change the order status to On Hold if you need to modify something. You also have a feature to quickly copy the extreme details. After you click Update, you can send the email again with the new credentials. We also have a Reminders feature. This will automatically send emails to customers before or after their subscription expires, encouraging them to renew. You just need to set up a reminder campaign.
Select the server, email template, and SMTP email.
You can turn any campaign on or off at any time. You can also send follow-ups to ask customers if they need any assistance. This can help you reduce chargebacks and disputes. You can create a new email template for follow-ups in the My Template section.
Select the server and the custom email template for the reminder, and make sure to remove variable credential from the template body, as it is not needed. You can choose number of days after expiration. After subscription expired, the system will automatically send a reminder to the customer.
We also provide a template library. Here you can find ready-made email templates that you can use for free. You can copy any template and customize it as you need. Let's test a new template to see how it looks. We will go back to our server settings. Be careful not to change any other server details, as this will set the server to inactive. Instead, we will only change the email template. We remove the previous template source code, and we paste in the new code from the template we copied. Let's go back to our test order. We changed the status to On Hold, which gives us the option to send email again. And here it is. The new email template is now being used. If you check your billing page, you will see that 2 credits were deducted. This is because we sent 2 emails. Thank you for choosing AutoPanel.